What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we're checking out a few of the best drone shots to try for beginners, and this is just to get some more cinematic footage, more dynamic footage and whatnot. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the video, and the first shot we have is the top-down spinning shot. So for this shot, there's kind of the traditional top-down shot where you just point the camera of the drone 90 degrees down, straight at the ground, and you either fly up or fly down, and that's a really cool shot. But just to add a little extra touch, make it a bit more dynamic, what you can do is fly down or up with the drone, and while you're doing that with the left stick, slightly rotate the left stick either left or right, and your drone will also rotate at the same time. And this rotation, this left or right, is really subtle, but it really helps make the shot a lot more dynamic. And then the next thing is flying near objects or people, and this shot is also super dynamic. I mean, it really helps add some depth, some scale to different scenes, different places. Definitely be mindful of who or what you're flying near and trying not to obviously hit anything with the drone. But a lot of drones kind of have obstacle sensing nowadays, and if they don't, just be mindful. Even if they do, it's important to be aware of your surroundings, but I found some of these have made definitely the coolest drone shots I've gotten. And then our third one is the panning up shot, and this is just a classic, right? You start with the drone angled down. It can be all the way at 90 or even just a little angled down, and you fly forward or backwards. I like to fly forward, but you can do either, and you slowly tilt the camera up to reveal the scene. And you've probably seen this shot a lot of times in movies or on YouTube, but this is just a really simple, basic one to add to the repertoire. And then fourth, we have the Dolly zoom or the Vertigo effect. So this is actually a shot that you do in the field, and then you edit it in post-processing. And to do this shot, you're just gonna point the camera at, a object, a mountain, whatever it is, and fly either straight at it or straight back. You don't need to do anything else other than that. And then in post-processing, what you're gonna do is if you flew at the object, you're slowly gonna zoom out through using keyframes, and that's going to create this really cool effect, or vice versa, right? If you're flying away from it, you're slowly going to zoom in, and that'll just really help create some depth to the shot. And then finally, we have the orbiting shot. So this is just another really basic one, but really cool. You just point the left and the right stick towards each other or away from each other. What you do by this is you rotate the drone around a object or something, while also keeping it in center of the object, so you get this orbit rotational feeling. That really helps make a dynamic shot as well. So hopefully you guys can try out some of these shots. If you have any other suggestions of shots you really like to do, leave them down below in the comments, and get out there and enjoy it. And the biggest thing I have to say about it all is to just go play around with your drone, figure out what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, what you like, and through practice is really how I've gotten better at a lot of my drone shots. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.